It is Friday, October 3rd today, 2025, and this is another trade recap. Today we made $7. One of my biggest trades. No, I'm just playing, but for real though, this is what we have. Break even on the day, and then I didn't even really want to try anything else. My trade was before 10 a.m., so I was still hoping that this 4-hour fair value gap right here was going to hold and we were going to go back up to all-time highs. As you can see, price did not want any more bullishness today. So coming into market open, we had a little leg up, bounced down, just chopped around, and then we swept some trendline liquidity here. Also bouncing out of a 1 hour, and we also had an SMT. I really liked this long here because we were, pretty close to all-time highs, and just because we had really good momentum above this zone here, and then yeah, pretty honestly not that bad of a trade. But my original break even was here, but then I saw that ES was way higher. So technically all-time highs were swept, but just not on NQ, unfortunately. Otherwise this trade would have played out pretty nicely. But from there I watched the 10 a.m. open, and I just didn't really see anything. I wanted a wick down here, which was good, but then there was just really nothing. This was a potential play that I just didn't take because we were right next to this 5-minute here, so I didn't want to just get rejected, which we did somewhat. We did go up, but it would have been a break-even trade or just a loss straight up, because had I even tried this, it would have just been to one of these, right? And then I would have had to go break even here anyway, so it would have been a break even trade. Same goes for, I guess this long worked technically, but we weren't really bouncing out of anything here. Yeah, I'm trying to stick to at least at a minimum a 5-minute or a 15-minute in terms of retracement legs. So if we were to retrace to a clear 5-minute, just for example purposes, if there was a clear 5-minute right here, then this long would have been something I was looking for, right? But because it was literally below, there was no 5-minute, 15-minute. I don't really trust plays that are bouncing out of a 1-minute fair value gap right here. They're still valid sometimes, but I feel like they could just mean less. So even though this play right here swept, we had a mini sweep here bouncing out of this. I don't even know, we might have had an SMT. Let me take a look. So this low here, sweeping this low. Yep. What about this low? So we had an SMT like this, which you could have counted, but even then, we're still if you go to the 5-minute during this time, these are some pretty, not the best candles, you could say, but it was after news, and in terms of targets, you really wouldn't have any good targets, probably just filling this 5-minute. So yeah, theoretically this play works, but I don't know, just not even really worth it. It's more of a pattern trade than anything. But yeah, and then around 1 after lunch hour, we really started dumping. As you can see, hit some sell side levels that we had marked out, and now it looks like we're bouncing maybe out of this 4 hour potentially. We're probably going to be stagnant here for a while. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. We are red on the week about, I think we're red on the week like 500, which is like maybe one loss. But yeah, pretty midweek to be honest. I don't know if it's just an experience thing or what, but I just cannot capitalize in these market conditions for whatever reason. Ever since August, I've just been doing, like, honestly pretty poorly. I mean, not that bad though, but just in terms of like comparing now to how I was performing like on Apex when I got my funded, things are pretty weird. So I don't know, just gonna try and stay consistent as always. You guys know the shebang, and yeah, that's pretty much it. No news on Monday. Government shutdown, kind of being weird. I don't really know what it even does necessarily, but yeah, that was that. This was my only play for the day, and yeah. Anyways, hope you guys had a good one. It's Friday, so enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you maybe Monday. We'll see. I honestly doubt that Monday's going to be any good, so I'll hop on the charts, of course, but we'll see. Alrighty, guys. See you next time.